Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome, and also please welcome me because I am also back after a really long break from YouTube. Because you just look at my face, look at it. The whimsy is gone. I had my exams. My excuses right here ready. I had my exam and just couldn't. Well, it's a long story. Anyway, I still have my two exams left, but I decided that I will read a book because, come on, such an adventure when you have two exams left and you still decide to read something else out of it. Oh my god, that's the only adventure my parents allow me. So, yes, I decided I'm going to read a book and then I'm going to review a book and let my subscribers know that I'm alive, I'm okay, I'm doing fine. I have 49 subscribers. Well, I love all my 49 subscribers so much because two or three decided to subscribe me when I was really inactive on YouTube. It means so much. I was also wondering that I'm just gonna, delete my account. It's not working. I'm someone who gives up really quickly or just does not give up at all. Nowhere between. Extremes. Extremes. So, anyway, I decided to pick up two, three books that I want to read, two, three books that I can read. And also, okay, I forgot to tell you all, but my brother has bought me a printer. I was really excited to get a printer because it's just almost like an artist getting a big palette of colors, or maybe a photographer getting their first photography camera. For me, it was getting a printer because now I see any research paper, any article that I want to read, I just print. Now I can highlight, I can annotate. Well, I'm someone who cannot read it from the screen. It's just unbearable for me. My head starts hurting so much. So, well, I have this literary theory here. Very short introduction. I decided I'll read this. Edgar's introduction. Wal Matilal, Epistemology Logic, Indian. And well, a finished reading of mine includes two books and also two dramas. Yeah. I read it all, okay? Because I have zero social life, to be honest, and I have nowhere to go, so I decided I'm just gonna read. And well, while reading Persepolis by Marjani Satrapi, I hard related to the character of Margie because she has no social life as well, so she decides to educate herself, and that's what I've been doing. Well, Marjani Satrapi is a very renowned writer. Well, she's no more. She died this year. Condolences. And so I decided I'll give a read to a book. So this is what our Islamic Revolution victim looks like. Marjani Satrapi has portrayed all of it like brilliantly, and I loved every part of this book, and I'd recommend this book to every person. You can read this book in a day or two, that's it, because this book is like this. So you can read this in a day or two. It's quite easy, and there were some quotes that I really liked, but they can be a bit controversial. I'll still read it, or maybe not. Okay. The next one is Descartes, a short introduction. Well, this is just a 109 pages of a book, and I had no stapler pins left, so I decided that I'm gonna use my glitter binder clips to cover them up, and I did that. And I am still ongoing, and I'm just reading it, but I don't have time. I don't think I'll be able to complete this, and I have to go back and revise. Anyway, yeah, that's all, and this is all that's been going on in my life right now. I mean, I have nothing new to talk about. Also, if you get time, you can check out my Substack and read few articles over there, like them, maybe comment over there. It will mean quite a lot to you. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye, and wish me luck also. Wish me luck for my exams. I want the best result. Well, yeah, okay. Bye bye.